exercise Vayu Shakti is all about. It's the name given to the firepower demonstration of the Indian Air Force, and it happens once in every 3 years. So it's a very important exercise as far as Indian Air Force is concerned. Where we showcase the preparedness, we showcase the firepower capability to our countrymen and to our, in fact, the world. And this time the events are planned out in the daytime, in the dusk time, and during the night. What is the area of operation for this exercise is in Pokhran, which is in Rajasthan, Jaisalmer area, which is close by, and the other two important airfields which are next to Pokhran, Jodhpur, which is approximately 185 kilometers, and Flodi, which is the newly developed base 105 kilometers from Pokhran, and also of course Jaisalmer, which is close by. So as I already covered, the objectives of this exercise is to highlight the operational preparedness of Indian Air Force, the training status, and of course the capability of IAF. It also signals the resolve and the strength in meeting the requirements towards the national security, and also it instills the sense of pride amongst the citizens of our country. The theme for this exercise is Nabasa Vajra Praharam, meaning the Sanskrit word meaning the lightning strike from the sky. And the event is scheduled on 17th February, and we kept the standby day as on 19th of February in case because of weather or non-availability of the chief guest. If we have to shift, we'll shift it on to 19th, which is Monday, and the main day is on Saturday. The timings as indicated, we expect the chief guest to arrive at 1715 hours, and it is for almost 2 hours 15 minutes. The number of fighters, I would say that the entire inventory of Indian Air Force, all the fighters are going to be employed in this exercise. As far as the numbers are concerned, approximately 77 aircraft are taking part. The type of aircraft you are well aware, all modern as well as the legacy aircraft are going to be used. As far as the helicopters are concerned, once again, all type of helicopters will be employed. The numbers as indicated. The focus this time will be on the indigenous produced platforms, that is the light combat helicopter and the ALH Mark 4, both by Indian Army and by Indian Air Force. The transport aircraft are 5. I'm using this word 5 because we are using Globemaster as well as C-130, and in addition to that, AN-32 will also be used. As far as the surface-to-air weapon, now it's not only air-to-ground we are firing from fighters or from helicopters. We'll be firing the weapons from surface to air as well. The unmanned aerial platforms will also be demonstrated, and there are a variety of aerial platforms which Indian Air Force is going to utilize or is using. And once again, the focus is on the indigenously produced platforms like Akash. We'll be firing from Akash. We'll be using other systems which are indigenously produced. Summer is indigenously, I would say, reproduced weapon. It was a air-to-air weapon, however, it has been now changed to surface-to-air weapon. And weapon-wise, what type of weapons we are going to utilize? It will be used precision weapons and the non-precision weapon in precision mode to enhance the accuracy of the weapon delivery. Air-to-air weapon also being utilized, that we are going to fire from fighter to a maneuvering target, and a surface to air, as already covered, will be also shown over there. As I already covered that the lead command who is controlling the entire exercise is Southwestern Air Command, which is situated at Gandhinagar. We expect all kind of people, including the top leadership of the country, the civil dignitaries, the armed force personnel, all both during FDR and on the final day, and also we are calling the school children during this event to witness it. So with this, I have given you the brief insight about the exercise, and kindly reserve your questions